Why everyone should know about chemicals, understanding the science of everyday life. Chemicals are the building blocks of our world, influencing everything from the air we breathe to the food we eat and the technology we use. Here's why understanding chemicals is essential for everyone. 1. Everyday products. Chemicals are present in items we use daily, from cleaning products to medicines. Understanding their properties ensures safe and effective use. 2. Environmental impact. Chemicals can impact our environment. Knowledge helps in making eco-friendly choices, promoting sustainability. 3. Health and safety. Awareness of chemicals in our surroundings allows us to make informed decisions about our health, minimizing risks and maximizing well-being. 4. Innovation and progress. Chemicals drive innovation. Understanding their principles fosters scientific advancements, leading to new technologies and medical breakthroughs. 5. Critical thinking. Chemical literacy promotes critical thinking. It enables us to evaluate information, debunk myths, and make sound judgments about the chemicals we encounter. Empowering everyone with chemical knowledge promotes a safer, healthier, and more informed society. Let's embrace the world of chemicals with curiosity and understanding.